Element. Bring the door, now so you can see the door.
So can you?
The handle is on the floor there. Yes.
This thing that is calling you. Don't worry, I'll tell him that.
Yes, more here.
The old man eventually died in his level party champion.
Let's go to
Some of us cannot be together.
Was this thing done in the middle of the night?
yes, in the middle of the night.
So it's robbery, it's an robbery.
Yes.
Send this way. My brother,
Comrade Salisu Mohammed, Secretary, Board of Trustee, Labour. National Secretary.
And this is one of the boys that was on duty the night the incident happened. Meanwhile, I'm Senator Nenadi Usman, the national chairman of the Labour Party. So in the night of Tuesday night, to be specific, towards and the whole thing started from Tuesday night right up to the wee hours of Wednesday. After we came here, had a very beautiful ceremony, went away. We were told that the offices, and you have seen the extent of the damage, carted away documents and all that. But since I was not around, I witnessed. This is the young man. He is one of the two that were beaten up at gunpoint, made to open the gate. So I think it's better you hear from him. Thank you.
So on Tuesday, 8:30 p.m., Abure come with Umar Farouk, Ibrahim, and Kennedy Anatu, and Oloro Femi, and some and others. They come, they tell me say I should come open gate for them. I no agree open gate for them. They try to open gate. I don't already lock the gate. So DSS, Abure DSS, you can't say, Aminu, come and open gate. I no agree come. You come jump on top gate. He tell me say, if you no come, I go shoot you with this my piston. You carry piston, cock the piston. He tell me say, come open gate. I no agree come open gate. He can't jump, enter inside. Abure brother follow him, jump, enter inside the compound. Come follow me. I dey run, they follow me, come hold me. They start beating me, tell me say, come and open gate. I say, key, no there with my hand. He there with my second. They can't leave me, go meet my second. Start beating my second. My second carry key, go open gate for them, small gate. Abure enter, Umar Farouk enter, Kennedy enter, Oloro Femi enter, Arambambi enter, Ismail Musa, FCT Secretary Labour Party enter, and Abure follow them enter. The first person Abure tell Abure make they go remove all this banner. Abure go start open and comot the banner. DSS, Abure DSS, Secretariat Thomas, na him start beating me again. Tell me say I should go carry all the key for this office. Come and open this office. He follow me, they hold my body. I go open my room, carry all the key come. I come open door for them. They follow me, go inside the office. Abure, John Abure, na him use him leg break Abure office, chairman office. So the remaining key I give them, na them open them by themselves. After that one, they call Secretariat Thomas, na him be Abure DSS. He come collect all my phone and my second phone. They come tell me say I should go carry my lot comot. I go dey carry my lot. Before I carry plenty all my cloth, Secretariat Thomas DSS to the Abure. He start beating me again, say no need to carry my cloth. I supposed to leave this compound. No. I carry my small clothes like this. I go outside, me and my second. You can't say, you no one see me for this street. Even this area, you no one see me again. I said, oh, no problem. Now that time, I go outside. So Abure and Umar Farouk, they asked the DSS, say, you don't collect their phone? He said, yes, you don't already collect it. They say, okay. 9 p.m. for that night.
They came 8:30.
Yes, 8:30. Now only 30 minutes because they do the thing sharp. So Abure carry document from his office. You don't go open safe for inside his office. Come out all the document. Even Umar Farouk, he carry document. Come out.
Who is this Abure you are mentioning?
Abure and Julius Abure, Naimbi, former National Chairman, Labour Party. Umar Farouk, Naimbi, former National Secretary, Labour Party. Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
No documents were taken away because the day we took over the office, I saw quite a number of documents, but now they've disappeared. So for me to know what was in there, it would take me a bit of time. But honestly, it's a really very sad, it's a very, very sad thing to have happened. We are not against anybody. We want to work with everybody. Anybody who wants to work with us, we just want to build the party. And for those of them who have the interests of the party at heart and are willing to work with us, we are working together.
Yeah, what do you say about the breaking of appears to be the breaking into the office? It's like it's illegal entry. What do you say to it?
Well, I think every institution must be respected, and there must be institutional memory. When you work in an office, a ministry, a political party office, whatever, every document that belongs to that office belongs to the office. When it's your time to go and you leave the document so that those who come from behind know what has happened and they will build on it. But for us to say that whenever you are leaving a ministry or you are leaving a political party office, you must still come in the night, steal all the documents and run away. You see, there's something terribly wrong about it.
Are you calling on security agents to take measures on this or what?
Yes, I'm calling on them to take measures on it. Because we have reported, and some of them, you can see they are out there. So we have reported to them. People should not think Nigeria is a lawless nation where you can do anything, anyhow, and get away with it. The moment people believe that you can do this kind of thing and get away with it, very, very soon, anybody holding any office everywhere would want to do this kind of thing. As you are living, you steal everything and run away with it.
Mas, we see, he just said...
the DG DSS and his entire team, when they hear this, they will be heartbroken. But I'm very, very sure they will not let it go. They wouldn't let it go.
Okay, away from the limitations, the court has authenticated you as the rightful chairman of the party. So where do you see the party in the next political dispensation?
Considering there is also an appeal, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, we learned that there has been but we've not been served anything yet. But when we are served, we'll take it up. In fact, we are not shaking about that.
How do you think the party?
Well, what we intend to do, just like we've always said, the first thing, the first building block is membership revalidation, registering our old and new members, taking stock of what has happened before. So that is where we are now. That is the building block. Because if you don't know how many you are, how do you start knowing what you are planning? So that is where we are starting from. It's a very important question. Thank you.
Sorry, man, are you planning to bring back those of your members who had left the party?
If a party is like church now, if anybody wants to come back, isn't it? The more the merrier. Because if a party, you limit yourself and say you want only few people, you can't make it. So the more the merrier.
What's the prospect of Labour Party going forward politically?
Considering that
the sky is the limit.
Peter Obi is no longer a part of the party.
Well, Peter Obi is just one. God is great. God is merciful. He has not endowed only one person with every attribute. No. Each and every person you see, Allah, God has endowed them in different ways. Even you, as you are standing here, only God knows what you will be. So please, let's not limit ourselves to anything and claim that it's only one person who can do it. No. Labour Party, if you look at it, look at the membership. You can see I'm here with the NLC Political Commission. I'm here with the Secretary General of the NLC and his assistant. We are working with TUC. I think Comrade Martins is supposed to be around. Maybe he's late. When you go from the grassroots and start taking stock of those who are workers, traders, market people, ideally, our potential is huge. Unless if we are not doing the right thing. Thank you.
All of you are comrades. All of you are comrades. You are registered now. We will send you.
But this is in line with the character of the people who did this. You know, first and foremost, BE is a criminal offense. When you break and enter a facility without authorization, or a place you do not have right or access to, you don't need to be a police officer to know that it is a very serious crime. But beside that, you will recall these same elements accused us of stealing money from this secretariat, that we took away billions, we took away workers' salaries. So the chickens have come to roost. It is consistent with their character. A thief in the night is a thief in daytime. It's shameful, and it is contemptuous of the decisions of the court in this manner. So we have two issues here: issues of contempt, issues bordering on crime. And so this is what I said. So we condemn this in its entirety, and we hope the law will take its due course. But beyond that, we do hope this will not happen again. If it does happen again, we know what to do.
So going forward,
NLC will play a stabilizing role. That will be our role. Yes.
This iron, they for up before. So this DSS, now find something, breaker, this iron come down like this. So after it don't come down, the DSS officer, Secretariat, Thomas, now he put the leg, two legs for here. Job, stand for gate. Tell me say I should come open gate for I no really come open gate. Before come jump, enter inside. Come hold me, hold my body. After you hold my body, tell me say where is my phone? You collected my phone. Now so you collect my phone like this. You go collect my second phone. Now through here. So John Abure, the follower, enter through inside the comfort. Yes, now the two are Abure.